Dear students, in last session we have discussed software quality. Today we are going to see characteristic of software quality. The first characteristic of software quality is not absolute, multidimensional, subject to constraint, acceptable compromises, measurable, continuous improvement. View of software quality. One is transitional view, user view, manufacturing view, product view, value based view. Let us see one by one. Transitional view. The transitional view, the quality is something that can be recognized but not defined in some traced form. A good quality object stand out and it is easy recognized. Okay. Second one, user view. The user view, fitness for purpose, user needs and expectation. Manufacturing view. A manufacturing views, quality is conformance to specification. It focuses on product quality during production and after delivery. And next, product view. The product view, the quality has tried to inherit characteristic of the product. Hypothesis. If a product is manufactured with good internal properties, then it will have good external properties. One can explore the causal relationship between internal properties and external properties. For example, modularity enables testability. And then fifth one is value based view. The value based view, the quality is dependent on the amount of customers is willing to pay. This represents the merge of two concepts, excellence and worth. Quality is a measure of excellence and value is measure of worth. Central idea, how much a customer is willing to pay for a certain level of quality. Quality is meaningless if a product does not make economic sense. The value based view makes a trade off between cost and quality. Measuring quality. In measuring quality, developing a quantity of view, reason for developing a quantitative view quality, and second, measurement of user view and measurement of manufacturer view. In a reason for first one is reason for developing a quantitative view quality is allowed us to establish baseline for qualities. The measurement is key to process improvement. The customer needs for improvement can be performance measurement. And the second one is measurement of user view. Functionalities can be easily measured and it can be guild technology is have to easily measured is to apply. Okay, first functionality can be easily measured, and the kill technique is also be easily measured. Measurement of manufacturer view. The manufacturing view of quality suggests two categories, as defect count and rework cost. Defect count are the total number of known defect recorded against a product during development and use. It is a measure of the quality of the work produced. One can analyze the defect as follows. For each defect, identify the development phase in which it is introduced. Categorize the defects, say based on models. Rework cost, development rework cost and operation rework cost. Software quality criteria. First, quality factor and software criteria. Quality factor is a quality factor represents behavior characteristic of a system. A total number of 12 quality factors are described for assessing quality, which are based on the perceived quality concern of the user and program project personnel. The software quality are recognized with related to specific area of the software lifecycle. Performance. It must be stated and agreed to by the user and specify how the software will operate. Design. The integrity of the design process to implement the software requirements of the user. Adaptation. Yeah, life cycle concern that affect the user and the maintainer. So, quality criterion. Next one is quality criterion. Is an attribute of a quality factors that is related to software development. There are correctness, efficiency, integrity, reliability, usability, maintainability, verifiability, flexibility, interoperability, portability, reusability. Relationship between quality factor and quality criteria. First one is correctness. The correctness is the degree to which the software performs its desired function. A common measure of correctness is defect KLOC. Defect are thought during deep user during beta testing or regular use of the product. The criteria include completeness, consistency, and traceability. Move to next slide. Efficiency. In this efficiency, a relationship between the software performance and the amount of resources used under stated condition. The volume of code or computer resources needed for a program so that it can fulfill its function. The criteria are processing, effectiveness processing, and effectiveness storage. Integrity, the extent to which illegal access to the program and data is a product can be controlled. Integrity is the integrity is access to the program and data of a product can be controlled. Integrity is the ability of your system to withstand attacks to its security. To measure integrity, one must define threat secure. Thread, the probability that can attack will occur within a given time. Security, specific type will be repelled. The criteria include the integrity is access control and access audit. Move to next slide. Reliability. In this reliability, the program can be maintained so that it can fulfill its specification function. Reliability is a set of attributes that bear on the capability of software to maintain its level of performance under stated condition for a standard period of time. It is also defined as the probability of failure free operations. Its in the criteria include accuracy, error tolerance, simplicity. Next, move to next slide. Usability. Usability is the effort needed for use and on the individual assessment of such use by a stated or implied set of users. The cost or effort to learn and handle a product. Usability is an attempt to define user friendliness. It can be measured in terms of physical and intellectual skill required to learn the system. It can be measured in terms of physical and intellectual skill required to learn the system, time required to become moderately difficult in the use of the system. The net increases in productivity over the system it replaces. And the criteria include operability and training. Maintainability. Go to next slide. Maintainability is needed to make a specified notification. Cost of localizing and correcting errors. Software has a high degree of maintainability if it is easy to understand, enhance and correctness. Maintainability cannot be measured directly. MTTC, that means Mean time to change is the time it takes to analyze, design, and implement the change. Maintainable programs have lower TTC, and the maintainability are divided into 5: modularity, self-description, in maintainability, modularity, self-descriptiveness, simplicity, document accessibility, and consistency. These are all the criteria of modular maintainability. Move to next slide. Verifiability. In this verifiability is a capability to verify that the software design and implement to the program specification. The verifiability, modularity, self-description, and simplicity, document accessibility test. And next, expandability. Move to next slide. Expandability. It deals with the relative effect involved in increasing the capability of the software. Are divided into 5: modularity, self-descriptiveness, simplicity, extensibility, generality. And then next slide, move to next slide. Flexibility. In flexibility, the cost product modification. Flexibility describes the ease with which the software can be used in various situations and environments. This flexibility is modularity, self-descriptiveness, simplicity, generality. Move to next slide. Interoperability. Interoperability is the ability of the software to work with the other software system or to coexist without causing difficulties. In this interoperability, criteria are modularity, commonality, independence, system, and next portability is in this attributes the capability of software to be transferred from one environment to another environment, and the criteria are self-descriptiveness, modularity, machine independent, software system independent. And next, reusability. Reusability is the ability of the component of the software to be used in other applications, and the criteria are generality, self-descriptiveness, modularity, simplicity, document accessibility, system clarity, mobile independent, application independence. And the relationship between the quality factor and the quality criteria is to be the factors is possibly included by a set of program quality criteria, and the same quality criterion impacts a number of quality factors. For example, simplicity impacts reliability, usability, and testability. In an effort is made to improve 1 year after, another quality factor may be degraded. Some quality factors positively impact other. An improvement the customers of a system will increase its reliability. Okay, these are all the characteristic of software quality. Okay girls, thank you. We will discuss in next session total quality management. Okay, thank you.